Hey, health heroes! Check out the color of the day, green. Milk and spinach are both excellent sources of the calcium your body needs.
Fuel up with the food power for super strong bones, healthy teeth, and amazing growth.
Our bones need calcium for everything: running, jumping, and stretching up high.
A bright, healthy smile starts with strong teeth, and I'm going to show you exactly how to maintain that strength.
Want super strong bones? It all starts right here.
The food power in these greens is incredible for your health.
All right, team, safety first. Welcome to the Build a Tower Challenge. Let's see who can reach new heights today.
Get your food power!
And build super strong bones.
Welcome to the Food Power Bone Build Challenge.
We're showing you how to get super strong bones starting right now.
We are here in the calcium construction zone, ready to build super strong bones starting right now.
Let's get building.
Many people overlook the importance of calcium, but it plays a critical role in numerous bodily functions.
Look how strong this foundation is.
With the right food power, your bones can be super strong too.
Oops. If we forget our calcium, our tower wobbles.
There we have it. 7 blocks of green power.
Spinach, strong.
I think that's as steady as it's gonna get.
Great job. I didn't think it would hold. Strong muscles pull on strong bones.
Which helps them grow tall.
Look how strong they are! Woo!
Super strong bones. They held steady.
Now, let's see how tall we are.
Okay, you are 6 feet, 0 inches, the same as last time.
Good to know.
Wow, look how much you've grown.
Taller and taller. Don't forget your calcium and sleep.
The bone density scan shows marked improvement in all key areas, especially vitamin D. The current protocol is clearly effective.
Look at these results on the bone health progress chart. We've seen significant improvement in the key indicators since the new protocol began.
That is encouraging news.
To make this incredible calcium power-up smoothie, we're combining fresh kale, mixed berries, creamy avocado, and a splash of milk.
We're adding a generous amount of fresh spinach. It's fantastic for bone health and provides that vibrant green color.
We'll use this milk as our calcium source.
Perfect. And the berries will add some great antioxidants.
Wow, that is incredible power.
I have never seen anything blend like this.
Get ready for the ultimate superhero fuel.
Woo! It looks amazing. Drink up.
Edamame is one of my favorite healthy snacks. Packed with protein and fiber, they're perfect when you need a quick energy boost.
We've got 2 great snacks for strong bones. Try this green smoothie.
They're easy to make at home. Just ask a grown-up for help. What gives us the food power we need for super strong bones?
Essential nutrients found in milk, cereal, and sunlight help your bones and teeth grow healthy and strong.
Build super strong bones with the power of calcium and vitamin D found in milk.
For strong, healthy growth,
These natural calcium sources are exactly what your kids need.
Keep drinking your milk and eating your greens to keep growing tall.
And click subscribe for our next adventure.
What color do you think is next?
We want to hear from you about healthy eating.
Tell us, what is your favorite green food? Comment below.
We're excited to bring you episode 5 very soon.
Get ready for our next adventure in health.